Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Roosevelt Elementary School, home of the Tigers in Livonia, Michigan. I've been here quite a few years back, but now I'm coming back again to share my heart with all the grades K through 4 about a really important topic, and that's bullying, right? But more importantly, looking at someone's heart first, the same way that you see your best friend, right, for their heart before anything else. And our hearts are as big as our fist. But if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? Peace sign. That one finger is ourself, the other is someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourself, right? But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, right? 1, 2, 1 breath, 1 heartbeat, 1 word, 1 action. We can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever. Or conversely, we can say something so mean that it stays in their heart in a very negative way for the rest of their life, right? And I love here all across the school, they have different paintings on the wall and different murals, but the big thing that they really push here is to use kind words, right? And for us to know that we have that power to uplift or to bring down through the power of our words, through our actions, we know that we have to make sure that they're a lot more kind than destructive, right? And so, you know, when you think about bullying, it's a repeated action. It has to happen over and over again on purpose to get power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions, can still leave the same mark on our hearts, right? And, you know, it's just such an important topic, especially in today's day and age, that we really do focus on seeing someone for their heart first, but also for this too. It's the shirt I wear for this particular assembly, and it says miracle on the front, but that goes in line with the concept that we all have with the lines on our hand. We have the letter M, and I trace one of mine here, right? Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have at least one on each hand. And that M stands for miracle, right? Upside down, W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to buy into this, right? Because a lot of students I speak to, some adults too, all across this nation, sometimes they've forgotten that, never been told that, or they need a reminder. And we can be the light to their heart if we choose that. And, you know, it's something that a big theme that I also push in this particular program is that hurt people, a big reason why bullying happens, but that healed people heal people, right? And if we can really step into that and understand that whatever we've gone through or will go through or are currently going through, we can rise above that hate and still show love. I mean, that's a huge thing. So it's something that's been heavy on my heart and hopefully touched a piece of yours today. With that though, make sure to keep shining that light and keep being the change that this world definitely needs. Thanks for touching my heart, and hope you have a great rest of the school year. Until then though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button as you pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.